Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, and the year is 2020. So, today's weather is a whole lot nicer than yesterday's was. Today's weather is partly cloudy and 58. Does anybody remember what the weather was yesterday? It was was it windy or was it sunny? Yesterday, the weather was very windy. It was windy and rainy. Today is a much nicer day. So, I want to show you guys some things that we're going to be doing for the rest of the week. And we're continuing with our virtual visits to different places. And Miss Josie told you yesterday what virtual means. Virtual means it's on the computer, okay? So remember, when you're going on these trips and Miss Josie says, oh, you're going on a trip to Walt Disney, it's a virtual trip. It's going to be on the computer. So today's trip is to Walt Disney, and it's on a special ride. I'm going to save that for a surprise for you. So when you go on it, you'll see what ride you'll be going on. It's my favorite ride in Disney. So I want to show you some different things that are new. Okay, let's go to classwork. And let's go to Yerbury Science. So this is a new type of worksheet that I'm using, okay? And this is in Spanish for Yerbury. So this says, where do you live? Since our unit is habitats in science, this is what Yerbury's going to be doing. So he can say where this is. Okay? This is a spider. He can also do this and drag it if the spider belongs there, or if the llama belongs here, or if the alligator belongs here, okay? So there's many different ways that he can use this worksheet. Okay, so yesterday we visited the San Diego Zoo in our virtual classroom. Today I'm just going to show you a different part of the zoo, but before I go there, does anybody remember what animal we visited in our virtual trip to the San Diego Zoo? Was it a dog or was it a baboon? Okay, yesterday's visit was to the San Diego Zoo and we saw live footage of the baboons. Right now, we're going to see live footage of the koalas. And look, we got so lucky. We see the mommy koala with her cub, with her baby koala. Okay, isn't this cute? Now this is live going on right now at the San Diego Zoo. Okay, tomorrow we'll go to another part of the zoo, okay, in our morning meeting. Okay, so everyone else, I want you to make sure that you're going through all of your work, that you're going through. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, for today, make sure everyone's signed up for education.com. I have this up every day to make sure that you signed up and I can track your math, your reading. Okay, make sure you click on your Good Morning meeting with Miss Josie. Do your meditation for the day, your morning work for the day, and look for your name. Okay? Stephen Rodrigo Isaiah. Today's spelling is writing a sentence. Make sure you do that and you submit it. Submit your work, or you take a picture of your work and you email it to Miss Josie. Our virtual field trip. Oops. You'll see later where you're going. If you'd like to do some get ready to learn, today we have Go Noodle, Boom Chicka Boom. Today is a special ELA. Miss Josie's going to be doing something with everyone, the whole class. Just make sure you find your name. There's different assignments for different groups, okay? math. Today is time for Stephen, Isaiah, and Rodrigo. And today is number worms for Nafis, Daniel, and Yerbri. For social studies, we're still working on recycling this month. And today we have something really fun, a book, I Can Save the Earth, and then complete your graphic organizer. Don't forget to submit. All right, in science, we're still working on our habitats unit. We did that already for Yerbri. Okay. Make sure that you're going through your IEP work. Miss Josie updates this every week. And then you have Miss Michelle's work, Mr. Frankie's work. We also have Miss Loretta's work. There we go, Miss Loretta's work, okay? And what's something very important that Miss Josie reminds you of every day? We went through it yesterday, and Mr. Frankie should still have it up here so that we can go through it one more time today. Yes, he does. Okay, so remember what Miss Josie told you. We're trying to stay safe from a virus. So what we need to do is wash our hands every day. Try not to touch our faces, okay? So just like we do in school when we're in the bathroom, we're going to go in the bathroom or in the kitchen, wherever you want to go at your house, and you're going to turn on the water. Very important. You're going to add soap. Don't forget to add the soap while you're scrubbing your hands. You need to make sure you're scrubbing your hands for the right amount of time. So Mr. Frankie says, sing happy birthday. All right? You can sing happy birthday. You can say the ABCs. You can count to 20, but you need to be going like this and either singing happy birthday or counting or singing the days of the week song, but make sure that you're doing something while you're washing your hands to remind you that it's got to be at least 20 seconds. All right, when you're done, you're going to rinse your hands. What does that mean? You're going to put your hands under the water, let the water run, all the soap's going to come off, and you get a paper towel. Once you have the paper towel and you've dried your hands, don't throw it away. Use that paper towel to shut off the water. Okay? And that's it. Okay, Miss Josie is going to say goodbye for now and say that I hope you have a great day, and we'll be meeting here again, like every day, tomorrow with our morning meeting. Okay? Bye. See you later. Have a great day.